Good morning. I'm going to talk a little bit about Splash Mountain today and check out the Twitter sphere and all other social medias and kind of reminisce. I'm really disappointed I didn't make it because I do have a magic key that I'm very grateful for and should have planned. So, recording. I will be there in about a week though. I'm going to rope drop and I haven't done that in years. I'm going to rope drop on a Friday. So, I hope you guys join me there. But let's get right into it. Check out some Twitter here. Obviously the crowds. I was checking out Five Fires and the crowds and stuff. I wish I was there. It's quite fun looking. And that drop is a quite a drop. So Ultima Violet. So those guys are is that French? French or some kind of Spanish romance language there. Canción del Sur. So is that perhaps it's escaping me right now. And Disneyland's trending right now. Let's just do Disneyland all together. Disneyland hashtag latest. Spirit Halloween. That's funny. That's funny. I gotta retweet that. So I guess there's some protesting going on. All right, what is this? This looks like Paris, perhaps, or no? That's Disney World. Interesting. That's German. That might be a little too loud, coming in over my voice. Well, I don't know what that is. We'll figure that out later. I think it's Paris, Disney Paris. I don't know. It seems like the French look like French. There's a lot of French stuff going on. What's going on with this dude? What's going on with Disney Paris? What's his? This guy. every 2 minutes. This guy's hilarious. He's all about his Disney. I am too, but that's why I like solo. I don't like to do all that. This is what I use for the clip. I don't like to do all that organizing. My uncle was really good at that. Getting the family all boom, 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 boom. Regimentated, good old itinerary. I'm going to do something kind of interesting. I'm hesitant to talk about it. I want to have artificial intelligence plan my day when I rope drop. So stay tuned for that. I don't know if I'm going to live stream. I think I'm just going to focus on the vlog because battery and all that gets a little too much when you try to do both. You try to do both. But yeah, so I really wish I went. All right, so she's gonna do a little cosplay here. She's moving in. What's potentially my Bayou adventure? Oh my God, he's dead? No! Son of honey. I don't know if I'll retweet it. Splash Canyon. I get it. Splash Canyon. That's in Paris, I think. I come to say goodbye. Girl hops off Splash Mountain. Oh, did you guys see this one? This one. Oh, there it is. I can show you over there, but I'll show you over here too.
The end of an era.
Girl hops off Splash Mountain.
Like this, I mean, this is not that wild. I mean, she's waiting all day. And she got a panic attack. I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
She walked off. That's something. What are you doing? She's tripping. Where? So they saw it happen up there. Can you do that? You can do whatever you want. There's consequences, but I mean, I think she legitimately looked like she had a panic attack. You can do whatever you want. Proud to be an American. Proud to be an American in that regard, because I tell you, the things people think they can get away with. Splash Mountain opening commercial, Disneyland 1989. So, oh, that must be Disney World. Was it 89? Yeah, that's pretty retro.
People make it their mission to take the craziest photos on Splash Mountain. From beer pong.
Yeah, I've heard there's all kinds. I've heard all kinds of different things. Flash Mountain. I heard this. Have you heard of Flash Mountain? If you can put it together, but yeah. Flash.
Never ending. This is Chris, and sitting in the front row is his girlfriend Lindsay. He carried the signs around Disneyland in his backpack all day, and he knew keeping it a secret was gonna be hard. They went as far as practicing beforehand to get the timing down right, pulling out the signs just in time to take the photo without.
Oops, what happened?
Lindsay.
Where are we at?
After the drop, they put them in the backpack as fast as they could before Lindsay could turn around to see how soaked everyone got. It wasn't until they exited the ride and looked at their photo when Lindsay found out, and that's when Chris pulled out the ring, and she said yes. People make it their mission to take the crazy.
Oh, she said yes, huh?
The fear of the logs backing up at the worst spot.
Okay, so this is the bigger. Oh, so Disney World had like a double flume. I've never been to Disney World, so. And like I said, I do have these pennies smashed pennies that were from Disneyland. So there's a lot of them on eBay out there. Breaking news. It's not really breaking news. And these are old. Look, these are old creations. I'm sorry. TikTok's kind of weird that way. Splash Mountain Disney. But look, this was the big scene. Here we go. These guys are on so many people's social medias, shutting the doors. You're just a man, but yeah, Splash Mountain was one of those rides for me that were just always intense. But anyway, I'm gonna be at the park on the 1st, and I'm gonna rope drop and take AI with me. Take ChatGPT. I don't use ChatGPT. I use a different one. I'll let you guys know which one it is eventually. But I hope you guys come along with me. Friday the 2nd. I don't know if I'm gonna live stream, but anyway, thanks for watching. I'm still live streaming right now, but I'm gonna end this video. Please like, please subscribe. Follow me on the socials. Links are below in the description. Thanks a lot.